Object-oriented programming basics in C# 9.0. 1. Classes and objects. Classes are the blueprint for creating objects. In C# 9.0, you define classes using the class keyword and create objects from these classes. Objects encapsulate data, fields, and behavior, methods. 2. Inheritance. Inheritance is a fundamental OOP concept. C# supports single inheritance, meaning a class can inherit from only one base class. Inheritance allows you to create a new class based on an existing one, inheriting its members and characteristics. 3. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is the ability of objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common base class. In C# 9.0, you can achieve polymorphism through method overriding and interfaces, allowing for more flexible and generic code. 4. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is the concept of bundling data, fields, and methods that operate on that data into a single unit, class. Access modifiers like public, private, and protected in C# 9.0 help control the visibility and access to class members, promoting encapsulation. 5. Abstraction. Abstraction is the process of simplifying complex reality by modeling classes based on real-world entities. Abstract classes and interfaces in C# allow you to define contracts for derived classes, promoting code reusability. 6. Properties. Properties in C# 9.0 provide controlled access to class fields. They allow you to enforce business logic and validation while getting and setting values. Auto-implemented properties simplify property declarations. 7. Methods. Methods are functions defined within classes. They encapsulate behavior and allow you to perform actions on objects. In C# 9.0, you can define methods with various access modifiers, including static and virtual. 8. Constructors and destructors. Constructors are special methods that get called when an object is created. In C# 9.0, you can define constructors with different parameters. Destructors, finalizers, help release resources when an object is no longer needed. 9. Interfaces. Interfaces define a contract that classes can implement. They allow for multiple inheritance of behavior and promote code modularity. C# 9.0 allows you to define default implementations for interface methods. 10. Structs. Structs are value types that provide a lightweight alternative to classes. In C# 9.0, you can define structs to hold small, related data types efficiently. 11. Enum types. Enumerations, enums, define a set of named integral constants. Enums make the code more readable and self-documenting. Summary. Classes and objects are the building blocks of OOP. Inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation enhance code organization. Abstraction promotes code reusability and modularity. Properties provide controlled access to data. Methods encapsulate behavior. Constructors and destructors handle object initialization and cleanup. Interfaces define contracts for classes to implement. Structs are lightweight value types. Enum types define named constants for improved code readability. Thanks for watching.